to our new video. So today we're going to be talking about this all new Maserati MC20 body kit that's coming out from 7 Designs based out of New York. And then this really cool package that's going to make your MC20, or maybe if you just want to look at it, the MC20 look crazy. Let's dive in. So what is this new package? Well, I have to thank the people over at 7 Designs for sending me these awesome images and video of their new MC20 Aria package. Now it's called the MC20 Aria, and it's basically a full-on carbon fiber package for the upcoming Maserati MC20. But there's something that we need to keep in mind. Now Maserati, all we know right now is that we have the MC20. We know there's going to be a full-on MC20 electric version called the Furo Series, I believe it's called. I can't remember the name off the top of my head. I'll put it up right there. It's gonna be full on EV, around 250 miles of range, so that's coming too. We also know that Maserati is going to be taking the MC20 racing. Now, likely we're gonna see a road legal version of that, whatever race car they have, so we'll probably see a pretty more aggressive MC20 coming in the future regardless. But if you want one right now, right when the MC20 comes out and goes on sale, these people have a kit for you. Now, just around 25 are gonna be offered for the entire world market, so it's not like it's gonna be available for everyone, but not everyone's gonna be buying MC20, so it's kind of like an exclusive bracket of people. So what do you get from this all new kit? So from looking at the pictures, we can see these really cool carbon fiber aero pieces going everywhere from a rear wing, a way more aggressive diffuser, dive planes, roof scoop, front splitter, side sills, and more. They offer a few different colors that you can see the entire package in, which kind of gives you a different feel of what different colors of the MC20 will look like. And I think it adds a really aggressive stance for the MC20. And of course, 25 are going to be made. If you want to check out more, please go to their website, which I'll have a link in the description below, or just post it right here if you want to copy it, and go check them out if you're interested, or if you just want to explore more of the work that they do. Now let's dive into a little bit more of the MC20, its specs, and what it's kind of built around. From this presentation, we also know that the MC20 is on its own carbon fiber monocoque platform, developed with Dallara, I think that's how you pronounce it, in Italy, with Maserati. The Nettuno twin turbo V6 is also built right in Modena with Maserati, developed by them as well, with some F1 derived, I think it's pre-chamber combustion technology. And here is the sound of it right now. I'm going to put this in the beginning of the video too. So you can guys hear it. It sounds okay. I feel like we're going to need to hear it on track or something, because it does have like an 8,000 or 9,000 RPM redline, which is pretty crazy. I would love to hear it fully revved out. Okay guys, now that we've checked this part out, now we have to keep in mind that Maserati has an all new division. It's their bespoke division called Furo Series. Now this means that you can do whatever kind of crazy stuff you want with your Maserati. Now on their Instagram page, they've offered a few of some new images of what customers can do, or just ideas of what this new bespoke division can do for your MC20, your new upcoming Grecale SUV, your new Levante, your Ghibli, or even Quattroporte. They can do everything from custom leathers, custom paint colors, custom patterns, designs, everything from the paddle shifters to the steering wheel, all can be customized to your liking through this new program from Maserati. And they are kicking it off with a bang with some crazy concepts and crazy art, just for my ideas for people to build off, or even you can create something own from the ground up. Thank you guys again for watching this video, and stay tuned for a lot more coming. Sorry I haven't been on YouTube and Instagram that much lately, but I can guarantee you a lot of great stuff is coming soon. Thanks again.